Hi, my name is Smita Rao. I am a veteran skin scientist, creator of 200 products for 15 brands. I'm also the founder of Pariva Beauty. We create clinically crafted skincare for skin longevity. Our brand has a proprietary technology called Molecure 3 that targets exosomes and NAD plus in skin. Exosomes are a very interesting and innovative cellular ingredient that is getting a lot of attention in the field of medical aesthetics, biotechnology, and cosmetics. When you think about exosomes, they're a very small part of the cell and they act as chemical messengers. So, for instance, if you want to have a product or a service that actually produces more collagen in skin or elastin, think of this as an envelope. You're using incredible ingredients and you want to activate collagen, elastin production in skin. What exosomes do, they're a little stamp. They act like a chemical messenger that go into cell and they'll tell the cell to enable protective mechanisms. That's why it's getting a lot of interest in the cosmetic and medical aesthetic community, because we can start to see the power of exosomes in cellular signaling. When I think of skin longevity, it's really the ability to regenerate skin cells to its healthier state. Pariva's brand mission is to extend skin health. We want to use incredibly good technologies to be able to regenerate skin cells to its healthy state. And our technology, Molecure 3, because it's targeting exosomes and NAD+, is really addressing longevity of skincare. When we think about better aging and in extending skin health, it's always an integrative approach, right? It is a combination of science, but it's really also your lifestyle. You want to be able to find a way to integrate this more holistically. So, simpler steps, not very complicated or time consuming. As a consumer, then when you're actually applying skincare products or taking wellness supplements, you're focused and you're actually integrating this consistently. So to me, this holistic approach is absolutely critical, because that's the only way a consumer is going to use this consistently to get the most amazing output and results. One of the things we know, and the scientific community is very well aware of this, is that as a woman ages, especially when she goes through hormonal aging, whether it's perimenopause or menopause, there are a lot of biological markers. So, for instance, we know collagen starts to decline 1% every year starting in your late 20s, and that decline is accelerated when the woman is menopausal or postmenopausal. We also know there are challenges with sleep, with sweating and hot flashes, and it does all of this has an impact on skin. We also see that a lot of consumers that are going through hormonal aging in the postmenopausal phase, they have thinner layers of skin. There's a lot of loss of volume, and they see that the appearance of lines and wrinkles become much more pronounced. And that's why at Pariva we focus on regenerating the cellular pathways to enable your skin to have extended skin health. We take into account the hormonal changes that a woman goes through in various stages of her life, and we've designed products to really target benefits for a woman going through the transitions. If I have to peek into the future, I see a couple of very important trends. One, I would say longevity from a technology perspective is here to stay. Consumer understand it. They are really understanding that longevity will help them live better longer. As it relates to the beauty industry and skincare, I see a very big shift by consumers to use fewer but better products. I think science-led innovation, identifying technologies that really have an impact on skin long term, those are some of the key things that are here to stay, and that's what we are building at Pariva Beauty. Everybody aspires to live younger, look better. And so my single biggest advice is, prevention is a very critical step. Our Pariva's 3-step ritual is prevent, restore, and prep. So influencing your skin's rate of aging is a very important consideration. So integrating products that actually delay aging and prevent future aging is very important. Use your sunscreen, use a great vitamin C serum. Check out our Firming Glow serum with 30% oil soluble vitamin C. It's a great prevention step. Use it every day. If you don't prevent, you're going to age. So I would emphasize on the prevention step.